And bang! It is here, baby. Let's go.
Sitting drunk on a wagon to Mexico. Oh, what a chunk, man, my head got a bump when I hit it on the radio. Redhead senorita looking dead, kept it set, need a bed in Espanol. So give me a drink of water, gonna sing around the collar, and I don't need a microphone.
Alright, today's the day we get to go ride. Got the gear right here, boys. Roy's got his gear and we're ready to go. Huge shout out to Larry from Toys for Big Boys, letting us come out ride the private training facility. You love to see it.
Hey, fuck it.
I use a razor to take off the edge, jump off the ledge, they said. Take the laser, aim at my head, and paint the walls red, I said. I'm crazy, I'm off the meds, I'm better off dead, they said. I use a razor to take off the edge, jump off the ledge. I'm selling tickets to my downfall. I'm selling tickets to my downfall. I'm selling tickets to my...
See it. First moto out on the course. How'd you feel in that fresh 2 gear?
Feel good, working hard.
Yeah, I mean the track is, you're going around a rut everywhere. The whole track you're staying in one rut. It's tough out there, but how'd that 2 gear feel? First ride with it?
Stretchy, comfy.
Stretchy. What about breathability?
Oh, beautiful.
Unreal, huh?
Yeah.
Sell it up to the fellas, huh?
That corner back there, if you don't take the inside, it's like deep, like a good foot deep.
Yeah. I took the inside every time.
You're just sinking. Call me a sumo rat.
Holy bike work.
two.
Moto 1 troubles or what?
Yeah.
Holy, he's got the whole bars came off on the big boot over there. He went to toss a whip and... Ivan's out there on my bike. Got my gear on, looking good. What do you got to say? How does he feel?
I mean, we're about to find out right here. Not too bad.
Looking pretty good, huh? Bang. Great day. What did you think?
So bad. The track's a little too tough from my liking, but looked good. That's all that matters.
That's all that matters, that dude. Just being steezy, man. Ruts were gnarly, as you guys saw. But
take a look at the bikes. They're just coated.
oh, I mean, yeah, that's Ivan's. Boom, covered in muck. Look, hanging off the fender. But anyways, a good day, guys. Really good day, and
not so bad.
we'll catch you guys later.
McDonald's snacks.
Bang.
I use a razor to take off the edge, jump off the ledge, they said.
Say something funny.
Parks.